Hi there, this is Lawrence with Excello, and in this quick video we're just going to run through how to change your sales settings. So when you're looking at your sale dashboard or you're just trying to get a good understanding of how your sales are doing in your Excello deployment, your sales settings are a really great way to kind of change up the actual data that you're seeing on that sales dashboard, as well as just making sure that everything is looking the way you want it to. So let's say I want to change my sales settings. The first thing you're going to do is simply go over to your configuration gear here on the bottom left hand side of the screen. And then when you get to your general configuration page, you're just going to scroll down to the sales tab, click there, and then just click the settings option. What that's going to do is it's going to bring you to your sales settings. So there's a couple of different things that we can do here. So for example, you can choose to show the ID of the sale with the title. You can actually change the label of sale. So if I want to change, the sale module to say opportunity or opportunities, I can do that here. You can also change the manager's label. So if you have your salespeople called something else, you can change that label here as well. Now, the next two options are really dealing with the sale dashboard. So there's a couple of different things that this impacts. So the pipeline weighting, you have a couple of options here. You can actually do pipeline weighting based off of the sale probability percentage, the sale status progress percentage, the lowest of sale probability or status progress, the highest of sale probability or status progress, or both the sale probability and status progress combined. What this does, if we go over to my sale dashboard real quick, it just is going to affect the pipeline forecast here. So as we can see, my current pipeline value on my sale dashboard is 1,932,400. This is based on the value times the largest probability or progress. In this case, if I want to change that, let's say I want it to be on the sale probability instead. I can just hit that and hit save. And then by refreshing my sale dashboard, I can see here that this is now based on the value times the win probability. So basically just affects the calculations that you're going to see here. Another piece that affects the sales dashboard is this dashboard's 1% calculation. So where you see that on the sales dashboard is actually down here. We can see the 1% here. So as you can see, I have on this a 9% win percentage. Jamie here has a 0%. And this percentage is actually affected by this calculation here. So at the moment, this 9% is being affected by the percentage of all assigned sales, which were 1. If I want to change that to maybe the percentage of all assigned sales values, which were 1, all completed sales, which were 1, etc., I can change that calculation here. So if I hit save, let's take a look over here and refresh. You can see now my numbers have changed here based off of, in this case, the percentage of all completed sales, which were 1. So just a nice little way, if you want to change the actual data that you're seeing here, you can do that based off the pipeline weighting and also the dashboard's 1% calculation. A couple of other things you can do here, very similar to the settings you'll see in a couple of other places here in Excello. You can actually change the Forms API access, so you can choose to challenge it. You can choose to open, which means allow valid form submissions to create sales via the Forms API without the use of a CAPTCHA challenge, or you can just simply disable it. You can also, if you are choosing challenge or open, you can have a reCAPTCHA secret key here, and you can also choose your next sale ID. And then once you have everything you have the way you want it, you can just simply hit save as I've been doing. If you have any further questions about your sale settings or maybe even your sale dashboard, be sure to email us at support@excello.com.